Welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I got another tool for Christmas. This one, I don't really need another flashlight, but it's another flashlight. It's the 18 volt LED light, and it's the P705, and this has the Cree LEDs in it. It says it's only 160 lumen. So recently I quote-unquote upgraded this old guy, and I have 3 of these actually at the moment. But one has the original bulb, this new one has the LED bulb in it, and that's supposed to be 200 lumens. So I'm curious to see if this one is any better. So let's crack this open and we'll pull it out. I haven't opened it yet. So it's a cute little flashlight actually. You really cannot have too many flashlights. Let's see. So it's a nice little unit actually. Oh, it goes the other way, like so. And well, that's pretty nice. Does this turn? Oh yeah. So this turns around. That's pretty nice. So that way you can shine it pretty much anywhere you are. Like if you're doing some plumbing under your kitchen sink, you can take this in and set it down. It'll shine up for you, which is nice. It's a nice little thing. It's got like a hook here and a spot here. You could probably hang this. It looks like you can hang it from a screw. And then it's got a spot here. You could probably put a rope through it or a handle. It doesn't come with a handle or anything. It comes with the Ryobi thing. Let's see what it says. If it says anything here, if there's some neat options, and it doesn't really say anything. No instructions included with this one. Not that you really need instructions for a flashlight, but anyway. Yeah, so I just thought it was neat. These were on sale for $15. That's why it ended up in my stocking, which is great. And like I say, you know, it's the LED. It's a nice small size. It's easy to carry around. I do use these a lot, actually. I use these a lot in the shop. I have other Ryobi lights. I've got the spotlight and I've got the area light. Like I've got the work light, which is really awesome. And I've got the area light, which I take camping and, you know, different things I use it for. When I'm doing some more work, I take that with my other light. And I usually have some flashlights around. Quite often I have a headlamp that I like, and I think I'd like to get a brighter headlamp. But these are really awesome because whenever you go to use your flashlights, they're out of batteries, or you know, it's sat for a while and they've got all you know, they've leaked all over your flashlight. So these things I really like because you just slap in your regular battery. They don't take a whole lot of energy, so even if your battery is just about dead, you can still use your flashlight with these. So this is really nice. So let's see if it says anything. It says 18 volt LED light, 160 lumens, rotating head, mounts to 2x material with nail slot for hanging, battery charger sold separately. Up to 35 hours of run time. And that's a 2-watt light. Again, 2 watts. I was kind of hoping for something bigger. Anyway, so, and then it proudly says that it's a Cree LED. And I'm not sure why a Cree LED is better than, you know, the other LEDs, but anyway, so let's mount this up here and we'll shine the 3 lights here. So we'll shine the original Ryobi blue flashlight. We'll shine the one with the that's a 2-watt 200 lumen bulb, and this one's 160 lumens. So that's kind of depressing. I was hoping for a bigger light, to tell you the truth. Oh well. Anyway, let's try it out. We'll see how it looks. Alright, so I'm going to turn off the lights. Okay, that Cree bulb is much brighter. Now, let's try going across the shop, so we will turn this around. Alright, so this is the original flashlight. This is with the new 2-watt 200 lumen bulb, and this one here is a 160 lumen Cree bulb. That's much nicer. Yeah. It's a little more condensed than this one, and way more condensed than the traditional bulb, which looks kind of ugly there. So this one, this is the clear winner. I'm surprised actually, because it says it's 160 lumens, but they're never really very accurate, are they, when it comes to what they claim is the size and the brightness and what the actual brightness is. So yeah, that's pretty good. So now I'm gonna have to go and see if I can get some of these Cree LEDs for these other flashlights and see if that makes a difference. Now I'm curious now. So anyway, that's it. It's pretty nice. It's got room for, like I said, you can put a strap around the handle, you can put a strap around here. It's got a spot you can hang it on a screw or a nail. It's kind of an odd way to do it. And then on this, I think this is big enough to fit over a 2x4, like you can set it like this. Alright, so here I go. I found a 2x4. Let's see if it'll hang on a 2x4. Oh, look at that. It'll hang right on the 2x4. That's pretty cool. So it'll hang this way. That's a pretty tight fit. Look at that. Even upside down. Like, look at that. That's pretty cool. That is a neat feature. So it's got a little bit of a grip to it. You just kind of squeeze it on. Yeah. That's pretty sturdy. I like that. Oh, now I can't get it out. Wow, that's genius. These Ryobi guys, I'm telling you, man, it's funny, because they're not like the best quality tool, but they're a decent quality tool. And like, who comes up with this stuff, right? Just a little flashlight. Oh, no problem, just hang it on a 2x4. Doesn't matter if it's facing down, it'll hold on. You can leave it kind of half on and aim it any way you want, and it'll sit there. Wow, that's neat. That's really neat. Alright. Okay, I'm pretty happy with this. This is worth its $15 for sure. So as far as I know, these have been discontinued, the P705s. But yeah, it's nice. It's very compact, small. You can fit it anywhere. It'll be good in your toolkit because it's not all that large, which is really handy too. And you can use those crappy little tiny batteries that you have, and it's perfect for a flashlight like this. The LEDs, it should run forever. Yeah, what a cool little tool. Alright, so that's it. That's my unboxing and review of this. It's, what did it say it would do? 130 yards. Okay, and if you're in Canada, that's 130 meters. A meter and a yard are virtually identical. So that's a fair distance. So I can't wait to actually get this outside and use it at the back of my yard and see how far it will actually go. So yeah, I'm super pleased with that actually. I can't wait to use it on a regular basis. That's a nice little tool. Alright, anyway, thanks for watching.